Hello, we are back with another vlog today. I'm being fairly quiet because Jordan and Arlo are sleeping right next to us. It's nap time. What do you... We've been playing with flashcards, or trying to, so I got... So we've been trying to play with flashcards and like matching games. I got two sets. This one is a matching game from, they're both from Target, but this one's like a matching game. And then I also got this set of flashcards to try and work on colors and shapes with him. So far, every single one, he just says is the color brown and an octagon. So, right?
Right.
He loves octagons. But today we're vlogging. I am going to film a little bit today. Once Christian goes down for a nap, I'm going to film the nursery tour, which that should already be up on my channel by the time you guys are seeing that. So I'll put it up here if you haven't seen it before, of their shared room and how we set it up. Then after Christian's nap, we're gonna go to the beach. You guys will probably think like we're always out doing stuff, we're always at the beach, but really I just happen to take you along every time we go, and that is the only place we go right now. All right, Jordan's putting Christian down for a nap now, and I've got little man here. Look at his like balding hair in the back. Right now I'm getting ready to make a snack. So I showed you guys in one of my vlogs how I got this Majka, I think is how you pronounce it. They're like lactation boosting protein powder and these lactation bites. And they recently sent an email with a cheesecake, like a little lactation bite cheesecake recipe in it. And so I want to try it today. They looked, dude, they looked so good. I'll show you guys what I'm working with, and I'll link the recipe down below too. We'll see how it turns out, but I'll link it in case you're interested too. Okay, so these are the little lactation bites that I showed in one of my previous vlogs, and they're pretty good. I also got them in a chocolate flavor, and I ate up all the chocolate ones like really quickly because they're a nice sweet treat, but it has the boosters for lactation support. So I ate up all the chocolate ones really quickly. I actually want to order some more, but these original flavor, I'm not gonna lie, are not my favorite. They're not bad, but they're almost just like a little spicy. Like they taste more like your typical lactation cookie. They're a little spicy almost, and for me, I like to reach for these instead of a dessert, like to satisfy my sweet tooth. So the recipe that they included uses these in muffin tins as the crusts for these little bite-sized cheesecakes, and I thought that was super cool. The only thing is that because I'm dairy-free, the recipe calls for Greek yogurt and cream cheese, and that's it. It's super easy, but because I'm dairy-free, I'm gonna try and work with what I've got here. So instead of cream cheese, I'm using this dairy-free cream cheese spread by Daya, but it is a strawberry flavor, which wouldn't be bad for cheesecake. And then instead of Greek yogurt, I'm using this dairy-free yogurt that I have, and the only reason I'm using this brand is because it was the only plain vanilla dairy-free flavor that they had at the grocery store, so I'm not really picky. So basically you just mix these together, you use these as the crusts, push them down, make the filling with these two, and then top it with a little bit of blueberries and put it in the freezer for a few hours. We'll see how they turn out. So the recipe suggests like microwaving them for a few seconds just to soften them up so that you can press them in the tins better. So I'm gonna do that first. Forgot to get a clip before I start pouring the mixture in, but this is what the crusts look like. Just the pressed down lactation bites, and then I'm just adding in my little mixture. All right, we've got them all done. We ran out of blueberries, so I used strawberries on these ones, but I think that will look, or that will taste really good with the strawberry cream cheese anyways. Plop them on top of all my breast milk. Look pretty level in there, so hopefully that's good. And then we'll check on them in a few hours. And then I have about half a yogurt left, so I'm actually going to make a smoothie with that and have that be my lunch while I nurse Arlo. Ice and yogurt so far. I should just make ice cream with that. I'm kind of just gonna throw everything in here that we need to get rid of. Like I've got strawberries I need to use. I think I have bananas, or at least frozen bananas I can use. Some spinach. Just dropping stuff all over. Breastfeeding supplement, collagen. I'm kind of just adding random things. I don't know how this is gonna taste. Whoa, that's a lot of PB2. Whoopsies. You gotta love the color of things like this when you just sort of throw all of your random ingredients in there with this smoothie. Ooh, that's actually really good though. That extra helping of PB2 powder is giving it a lot of good flavor. I approve. Okay, so we just got done filming the nursery tour. It sounds like Christian is gonna be up from his nap any second. Jordan just went to go check on him, and I'm hanging out with little man in here. But real quick, I wanted to show you guys a pumping product that I recently picked up that I've been using a lot. This isn't sponsored, but I'm kind of mind blown, and I just wanted to share with you guys because you know I love sharing everything with you. So you've probably heard of them, but it's this company called Kind. As you can tell, I am like stocked up. They actually, when I was pregnant with Arlo, they reached out to me and they sent me this gift set, which you can also get at Bye Bye Baby. I think it retails for like $99. And in it, it comes with the whole complete kit, which I'll go through with you guys. But basically what they are is they're these reusable pumping bags, or not reusable, sorry. They're these pumping bags that you can pump directly into, like you see here, and then you can actually pop the bag into a bottle and feed with the bag right there. So it's basically just a streamlined process. My sister-in-law Katora, she has been exclusively pumping. My nephew Ezra just turned 6 months old, which is crazy, but she's been exclusively pumping this whole time for 6 months straight, and she relies on these like so heavily. She definitely advocates for them a lot. So I thought we would try it. I actually planned on using Dr. Brown's bottles with Arlo because that's what we always used with Christian, and for whatever reason he just was like not having it, and so we tried giving him one of these bottles and he took it. There's a couple different speeds for the nipples, and so we did have to move him up to the medium speed for him to take it, but he really liked it and it was a super easy process. So I also thought this gift set would be a great gift if you know somebody who's an exclusive pumper, or you have somebody in mind who is pregnant and you want to get them something that they'll actually use. This would be awesome. It like fully sets them up, and I was super impressed with just everything that comes in the gift set. So I wanted to show you guys everything that's in there. And then we actually have a bottle in the fridge that is like halfway drinking from Arlo, so I can show you what the whole thing looks like together too. So in the gift set, I already opened everything up. Everything was packaged up a little tighter, but I already opened it up because I was curious about everything that was in there. So inside here you get a pack of the little bottle bags. This is what they look like, so you can just pump directly into it. Hey you! You get 2 of the plastic like bottle holders. You get 1 of each nipple speed, so they're slow, medium, and fast, and 1 of each came in this kit. Then this is like a plastic tray for the bags that you can put in your freezer. It also came with a couple cleaning brushes for the nipples. It comes with a bottle warmer in here. You can also buy the bottle warmer separately. I know at like Bye Bye Baby and things like that too, but it comes in this gift set if you're looking to get set up. It comes with a bunch of little adapters, so that like there's so many in here, so no matter what pump you're using, you'll be able to find some adapter to hook it up and pump directly into it. And then this thing is super cool. This was a bonus. I don't know if this comes in every gift set or if it's just this edition, but this looks like a protein like shaker bottle, and it's actually intended to help you make baby food. Like you can make your own baby food. I always made my own baby food with Christian. You can put it in here. It also comes with a little adapter that's like a spoon, and then you can use this bottle to pour the food directly into one of these pouches like that. It hooks like that. And so you can use the packages or the pouches for baby food too, which to me is like genius. This thing is super handy. I think that's awesome. I actually just ordered a baby food maker, even though we're a few months off for Arlo. Just figured it didn't hurt to have it. I always did all my own baby food by hand with Christian. This time I want to use like an actual steamer and like baby food maker. But this bottle will help you transfer it to the little Kind bags, which is just awesome. So then you can use the pouches for food as well. To me, that is like mind blowing. So you can also get additional boxes of the pouches. So this is a pack of 40, which I think retails for like 16 bucks or something. So like I mentioned, I got the gift set, this set sent to me, and inside there was actually a coupon code for if you went to the website and you like registered your gift set, you got a free box of 40 pouches, just paying for shipping. So I paid $5 for this box, just $5 for the shipping, but all the pouches were free, and that's because the set came with like a little gift code inside. Now I'm gonna show you what the setup looks like. And I'm still using my LV pump too. I actually have it in my diaper bag right now if you guys are curious. But the great thing is that I can use my LV pump, still be like hands-free, and then just use these to replace the typical like breast milk bags I would use. Because even using the LV pump, when I pump, I still have to pour the milk into some sort of storage bag in the freezer. So by using these bags, I'm able to then just have it be a part of the bottle when we're feeding Arlo, and it's just one less step instead of transferring the bag to a bottle and then washing the bottle and having to have a bottle on hand. It's just all in one place, which is really nice. So this is what it looks like if I did want to use it hooked up with my other pump. So I still have my Ameda Maya pump. I actually did a review on that when Christian was younger, and that is the pump I use when I'm at home and I'm just, these pieces need to be washed, but when I'm at home and I'm not using my LV, or if my LV pieces are dirty, or for whatever reason, if I'm just looking to use like a standard traditional pump, I use my Ameda Maya. This little adapter that came with the Kind set, or that came somewhere with Kind, actually just hooks up straight to the Ameda pump like that, and then you're able to screw on the Kind bag right here too, so that you can pump directly into the bag. I actually, before Kind even sent me, so Kind sent me this box, like I mentioned, but before they even sent me that, I actually found a coupon code online and I got a sample from Kind, and I can't remember what all it came with, but it came with this adapter, and then I think another adapter size, and then it came with one bottle setup so that you can just try it. So I would recommend doing that. Like, try that out for yourself if you're looking to try something like this. I'll see if I can find a code like that, or if you go to Kind's website, I think you can just sign up for that little sample size yourself. And again, I think you just pay for shipping. That's what I did. You pay like $5 or $6 for shipping, but you get the sample for free. And so I was able to try it like that. Then they sent me the gift set, and then I used the coupon code inside the gift set to get the extra box of bags too. I am like fully stocked on these things, but I don't mind having extra bags now that I know I can use them for food as well once he moves into solids. So this is what this looks like frozen. I figured I would show you guys the overall size of it. This has about 5.5 ounces of milk in it. So it does take up a little bit more room. Like your typical, I typically get either Lancino bags or Up and Up bags from Target, and just by laying them flat, they're able to become a little bit thinner and take up less space, in my opinion. These hold 6 ounces also. In the past, sometimes I've needed to freeze more than that, so you may have to use 2 bags, just to throw that out there, giving you guys all the details. But this is what like a frozen bag looks like, and then this is what the bottle setup looks like. So this is the medium size nipple, and it just has a cap like that, and you're able to just pop the bag right into the bottle like that and use. It's like super easy. So I just figured I would show you that. It's something really cool. I feel like it's like revolutionizing the breastfeeding game, and if you are an exclusive pumper or you're looking to exclusively pump, this will definitely make things easier on you. My sister-in-law swears by these. She will never go for another Kind ever again. You can also get them on Amazon. You can get them at Bye Bye Baby. So if you're shopping at Bye Bye Baby and you have the 20% off coupon code, you could always use that on the kit too to stock up. But I'm super impressed. I think that this will be really handy for us for sure. All right, I just went to check on my little cheesecake bites. It's been about 3 hours now. I had to use a knife to kind of pry it out, but this is what they look like. Isn't that so cute? Like such a good little bite-sized snack. I love it. So I'm gonna take them all out, transfer them to a plate, and then we'll do a taste test. Okay, I will say they are quickly melting. Like even just touching them, it looks like I have yogurt on my fingers, or it did. So these will definitely be going back in the freezer after I get a picture of them. But this is what they look like. Such cute little cheesecake bites. Let's see what they taste like. Oh, That feeling when you bite into something frozen. Do I have chocolate on my face? This is a question I regularly ask. These are so good. They're cold on my hands, but they're so yummy. I don't know if they really taste like cheesecake. Maybe it's because I used vegan cream cheese. I can definitely taste the strawberry in it from the strawberry vegan cream cheese I used. I kind of improvised a lot in this recipe. They're pretty good though. And I definitely like the Lactation Bites better with all of this additional flavor too, versus just having them plain. Like knowing I can use them for things like this, maybe I'll buy more. Originally when I told Jordan I was making these, he was like, those are all yours. I don't need any. Like, you can have all of them then, because telling him I was making vegan Lactation Bite cheesecakes didn't sound super appetizing to him, but these are so good. I actually am gonna have him try it and see if their husband approved. I just wish I didn't have such sensitive teeth. See? The frozen blueberries on this are so good too. These are dangerous. It gave me chills a little bit. Okay. You can have a bite too.
We'll try it.
All right, this is husband and son taste test. I told, you're not even waiting for me to do this intro.
I'm hungry.
Okay, just go for it. Go. Oh my gosh, that's a huge bite.
It's really good.
Are you lactating yet?
I can feel my milk coming in.
All right.
Bite. Mmm. Show mom how you like it.
What do you think? Do you like it?
I like it.
You like it? Is it cold?
Cold.
But it's good, huh? Oh, here you go. Good job. I made Jordan go to the... Say more. I made Jordan go to the fridge and get it out and bring it over to me because I have a sleeping baby. Just that breastfeeding and pass out life. Look at this hair. Look at that hair. It's crazy. Gotta love it.
Want a bite?
Mmm. He's shy, right? Just kidding. He loves the camera.
Far.
He says far. Oh,
You want
yeah.
the blueberry too?
No.
Okay.
High five, Bubba. Oh, yeah. Hey, Arlo. Wow.
Doop, doop, doop.